Okay, guys, that was a test of my Gentex and Genesis fire alarm system. I hope you liked the video. I hope you can enjoy it. I guess you can't see my fire alarm, but you can see it flashing and hear it. And remember to subscribe, comment, and like, and hit the notification bell to get new videos from me every day. And I'll see you in the next video. I believe it will be um Home 503. And peace, every YouTuber. And this was just a test. And so thank you. And then I will be doing some other videos of me with my hacker mask. If you want to see that, stay tuned. And me and my friend are going to be hacking someone. So if you want to see that video, see that below in the description. I will put the video of me and him doing that in another video. So until next time, peace.